start recording. All right, hey everybody. Thanks for breaking with us tonight. Just going to give it 2 or 3 minutes here. Let a few more people join, and then we will get started. Move this over here. All right. What do you think? Guys feeling these Donruss? First time breaking these mega boxes for us. Ripped a bunch of the blasters, but have not ripped the megas yet. So, hoping we pull some good autos out of here. All right, let's start to get started here. Get the goats out of the way. Cash money. Break number 7. We got 2 Donruss blasters and 2 Donruss megas. So there's your blasters. There's your megas. And we are recording this, so anybody that can't watch the whole break can watch it back later. But everybody is paid up, so let's get started. We'll do the blasters first. Had pretty good luck with these. We broke, what did we break, 10 of these last week?
Yeah, pretty good luck. We had some good ones.
Yeah, we had some really nice Jaguars cards. Actually, Jaguars did really good in this break. They got that for a nice price. Yeah, so Jaguars, hope you guys might get a steal out of this. All right, let's get started. Thanks everybody for breaking with us, and best of luck to everyone. Hope we pull some fire here tonight. Kaboom! Those are coming out in a couple weeks. Actually, those absolute cards will be out in a couple weeks. Love chasing those absolutes.
Maybe downtown here?
I hope so. Like to get a case hit. Hopefully, I'm really hoping that in these mega boxes there's actually autographs, because I know we ripped a bunch of the Prestige megas.
Yeah.
And, you know, it says the same thing that it says on these boxes, right? So it says find 1 autograph per box on average. But in reality, in those Prestige boxes that we were ripping, a lot of the boxes didn't have autos, and they were giving Panini points in the replacement of the autos, which is super annoying. All right, here's your packs, guys. Pull them out. And empty box. All right, first blaster. Good luck to everybody. Thanks again for buying in with us. Let's do this. Get this out of the way. Actually, I'll move this over here. Okay. Here we go. James White. He got dinged up last week. Actually, a lot of injuries this week. This last couple weeks. Michael Thomas. He'll be back in a week or 2. DeAndre Swift. And we got a Tua. Aaron Rodgers. And Jarrett Patterson, rated rookie. Alright, Justin Jefferson. Debo. Cooper Kupp. He's having a nice start to the year. Julio. And DK with the mask. And what do we got back here? We got a Jalen Smith, but hopefully something good here behind it. What do we got? It's a Dominators. George Kittle. Cool card. Here's your Jalen Smith.
Like the Jalen Smith that just got released.
Yeah, right. And there's a nice Kellen Mond. There you go, Minnesota.
There you go.
Rated rookie. Vernon. Fletcher Cox. Rivers. Fitzpatrick. Their Julio with the mask. And Deontay Johnson. And we got a Joe Burrow here. And who is our rated rookie? Let's flip these. A little suspense. Chris Evans. Bengals back to back with the Burrow mask.
He could be starting this weekend. Chris Evans.
Yep. Yeah. What's up with
Mixon.
Yeah. What's up?
Shoulder maybe.
He's on my fantasy team, and gonna have to find someone to replace him. Yeah, some running backs went down. Montgomery went down this past week. What's up with McCaffrey? Is he back, or is Hubbard back in there this week?
Questionable this week.
Okay. Hunt, Carson Wentz, Javon Kearse, Mark Ingram II, James Conner, Baker. What we got back here? And we got another nice Kellen Mond, Gridiron Kings.
Wow. Minnesota.
There's your Baker with the mask. And our rated rookie, Tutu Atwell.
An old 2-2.
Miles Sanders. Dalton, no longer the starting quarterback for the Chicago Bears as of today. Darius Slayton. And Ryan Tannehill. Hopefully we pull some Justin Fields here tonight. Barry Sanders. Marcus May. Another Barry Sanders.
Cash money.
And finish up with a J.C. Horn rated rookie.
Well, J.C. Horn got hurt. That opened the door for Stephon Gilmore.
Yeah, right. Big moves today. Devin Singletary. Jacoby Myers. Hill. Denzel Mims. Darius Leonard. And let's see what we got back here. Got a Vortex DK Metcalf. And in front of that we had Sorensen. And our rated rookie, Ramondre Stevenson.
All right, Patriots.
Pats.
Maybe he'll get activated this week. He was in the doghouse for the fumble for a while.
That's it. The Pats keep on fumbling the crap out of the ball. Those running backs, I think they're all taking turns. Belichick doesn't go for that.
Nope.
It's not his thing. Make him sleep with the ball. JK. And Diggs. It's McCaffrey. Jalen Ramsey. Matty Football. Chase Young. And we got a Dak. Who's our rated rookie here? Eric Stokes is the Dak. Alright, not much in this blaster so far. What do we got? 4 packs left. Let's get some fire going here. Hunter Henry, Sue, Thielen, Herbie, Bostich, Jalen Hurts, Mark Brunell, and our rated rookie Michael Carter.
All right.
Running back, New York Jets.
It's not bad.
Sure, Mark Brunell. Jamal Adams, Max Crosby,
Disgusting.
Philip Lindsay, Breeze, James Robinson, Saquon. There's a Dak and rated rookie Ben Skronik. And the Dak is a press-proof red.
All right. I feel like these next couple packs gotta have something.
Yeah, nothing great yet. But those megas, good feeling about those megas. I've not opened any mega boxes yet, so this will be our first tonight. Lots of blasters. Wilson, Gordon, Dupree, Quara, Kuda, and there's Valdez Scantling. So Brady, what do we got for the rated rookie here? Anthony Schwartz. Here's Brady, Tampa Bay. All right, last pack, box number 1. Joe Montana, John Elway, Lattimore, Gesicki, Brett Favre, Randy Moss. What do we got behind this? We got an Elite Series rookies.
All right. Let's make it good.
Travis Etienne Jr. Here's your
All right.
Moss. And our rated rookie to finish this box, Caleb Farley. All right, not a great first blaster, but that just means we're due. Let's not waste any time. Let's crush this second one. Pull some fire. Back this up. There we go. These are empty box, guys.
Have you seen Lena? Hey, Brett, what are the chances I could get you to give me a little autograph?
Dude, I love that movie. That movie was so good.
Classic.
It was like 2 or 3 years in a row where those comedies. That was a Farrelly Brothers one, I think, too, wasn't it? Like that and Kingpin. Kingpin might be the best comedy of all time. But Something About Mary is pretty close. Alexander, Haneke, Deshaun Watson, Henry Ruggs the third. It's a Shaq Griffin, and our rated rookie Nick Bolton.
All right. Yeah, at the end, that was a good pull. I mean, he definitely had a shot of having an awesome season before he got hurt.
Yep, that card's a keeper for sure. True Lock, Jimmy G. The random Mike Vrabel coach card that they put in these boxes, the only coach that's in here. Really weird. Kelsey.
You love pulling the Bravels.
Smith. I mean, sometimes you pull that nice press-proof Vrabel. Just sweet. I mean, yeah. Send that right off to PSA. Here's a Tua, and what do we got behind it? Let's flip this. It's going the other way. This is a The Rookies, I believe. What do we got? The Rookies. That is a Trevor Lawrence.
Ooh,
The
nice.
Rookies. There we go. That's what we're talking about.
Good one for the
Nice hit for the Jags.
the cheap Jaguars.
Yeah, got a good deal on that tonight. That was the deal of the night were the Jaguars. And there's the Tua. And we got a Pat Freiermuth.
Oh, there's your Freiermuth.
There it is. All right.
Brandon really has been talking up Freiermuth.
He had a touchdown in the game the other day, didn't he? I believe he did.
He had a 70-yard touchdown.
Yeah. Odell Beckham Jr. Travis Fulgham. AP. MT. DS. Aaron Rodgers. There's a DK. And what do we got behind this? What do you pay? It's the DK. Put this out here. Put a few of these out here. Kellen Mond. Alright. Allen Robinson. Ingram.
Let's go.
White. Cooper Kupp. Julio.
He's heating up!
That's it. We got a Jalen Smith. This is a Portraits. Terrence Marshall Jr. Rated rookie.
Oh, I like him. He's good.
What do we got behind it? Larry Roundtree, the third. So this is one of the portraits with the pink back. Love those cards. Those are nice. Roundtree. James White. And there's Lamar. And we got a Phillip Rivers. Ryan Fitzpatrick. Julio. Deontay Johnson. Flip that this way. Deontay Johnson. Joe Burrow, and our rated rookie is Trey Lance.
Oh,
nice. I don't think Jimmy G's getting that job back when he's healthy. I have a feeling Trey is going to kill it there. And here's the Burrow mask, but it's a good hit right there. That's a nice Trey. There. Justin Jefferson, Carson Wentz, Javon Curse, Mark Ingram,
Butterfingers!
James Conner. What do we got behind this? Mayfield. Something's behind this. It's a rookie.
Shiny.
We have a Darden. Cool card though. Rookie Revolution. And there's your Baker. And Elijah Mitchell is the rated rookie in this pack. Toss a couple of these up. Let me see if we've got any more holders here.
Taylor
Throw up.
Heineke looking pretty good.
Yeah, he does look good. Throw that one there. And we'll toss the Terrence Marshall portraits up over here. Alright. I guess we got 5 packs left here in this blaster. This one, so far, much better than the first one. Hopefully that continues. Let's keep it going. Here's a Debo.
Having a heck of a year.
Yeah, he is. Vernon. Fletcher Cox. Tannehill. Sanders. May. I feel like we got this exact pack in the first box because here's the other Sanders.
Oh, yeah.
Same exact sequence.
That's so weird.
It's behind this. Rondale Moore.
Oh, there you go. Someone called out for Rondale earlier. You got your wish?
Yep.
He's on fire!
Kareem Hunt. Miles Sanders. Taysom Hill. McCaffrey. Mims. Darius Leonard. Sorensen, and our rated rookie is Joseph Osai.
Rejected!
Daniel Sorensen. Osai. Alright. I want to see some Mac Jones. I want to see some Justin Fields. Who else for the rookies? We got Trevor. We got a Trey. We got some Kellen Monds.
Haven't seen Trask yet.
Like to see some Trask. There's a Dalton.
Waddle.
Ramsey. Matt Ryan. Haven't seen any Najees yet. Herbert. Chase Young. And a Dak. And we got a red press proof maybe back here. It's a rated rookie.
Oh, that's good.
Press proof, rated rookie. And it's Ojolari.
Yeah.
Rejected!
Yep. Dak. Cool card. It's the last rated rookie here in this pack. We have a Trevor Morig. Alright.
Oh, no, he just didn't!
Darius Slayton. Devin Singletary. Kobe Myers. Bostic. Philip Lindsay. Jalen Hurts. Mark Brunell. And our rated rookie is Brevin Jordan.
I don't like how they put like the old Favre, Brunel, all the retired players in these.
No. They just looking for fillers. That's it. Panini looking for fillers. Make that checklist as big as they can. Alright. Last pack in the blasters, and we will go on to the Megas momentarily. Dobbins. Stephon Diggs. Dupree. Drew Brees. James Robinson. Saquon. And I think we got back here, we have an inducted, this is a Hall of Fame card, it's a Peyton Manning. and the Broncos uniform, which I find really, really strange because he definitely was not inducted in a Broncos uniform. Right? I mean,
Yeah.
why would you have a Hall of Fame inducted card of Peyton Manning in his Broncos uniform? Isn't that really odd?
That is weird. I'll give you that.
And Terrence Marshall Jr., rated rookie, to finish the box. All right.
I love it!
The blaster wasn't bad. Let's go on to the Megas. 2 of these bad boys. Let's open them and hopefully pull some fire here. Hopefully autos in both boxes and not Panini points. If there is Panini points, we will random that at the end. I don't really know what they're doing in these. I know in the Prestige Megas, I mentioned it earlier, they were putting Panini points in a lot of those boxes in lieu of the autos, which was super annoying to me. We'll see. Alright. These are packs in the middle of the box. Pull those suckers out. And there you go, guys. Empty box. There's our packs. Good luck, everybody. 2 Megas to go. Let's pull some fire. We want some Max. We want Mac. We want Justin. We are heating up. We want some good autos. See a nice purple at the end there. A little sneak peek at that. Melvin Gordon, Montana. Ogba. Zeke. And L'Jarius Sneed. Let's do a sneak. We have an Elite Series rookie.
Oh, here we go.
And we have a Rashad Bateman. And that Sneed is a gold press proof.
That's cool.
Cash money.
And we have a purple rated rookie at the end of this. It is Hunter Long.
Cash money.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, it's an optic preview. Those are cool. And the last rated rookie is Kwity Paye.
That one pack might have been better than the first blaster.
Yeah, it was pretty good. Elway. Hendrickson. Tua. When's he coming back? Is he out another week or two?
Yeah, next week. Not this weekend, but next weekend.
I don't know about him. The jury's out on him. We got a Namath here, but we got some good looking stuff behind it, so let's do a slow reveal here. We got a rated rookie. And it's a press proof. This is a Boogie Basham. Here's your Namath. Here's your Boogie. And what do we got back here? Let me flip it. I think it's the other way. We have a Action All Pros, Aaron Rodgers.
Nice.
We have a rated rookie coming up. This is another, looks like another optic preview. This is a Najee Harris. There's a nice hit right there.
Hit. There we go.
Pittsburgh. Beautiful card. It's sweet. It's a really nice card. Perfectly centered for the most part, too. Looks good. It's a nice card. Last rated rookie here is Roundtree.
Brand Brandon was hoping for his Najee.
Yeah, you got a good one. You got a good one. Saquon. Darnold. Darnold looks pretty good this year. I tell you what, get away from the Jets, and I guess that's all it takes. Miles Jack. Alvin Kamara. And we have a redemption, it looks like, coming up next. Let's see. Yep, valued collector. There's your Kamara. Who do we got? Let's flip it. We have a 2021 Donruss rated rookie autographs bronze, Jamar Chase.
Oh, good one. Good hit.
That is a really nice one.
Great hit for the Bengals.
And
Gold?
it is bronze,
Oh, bronze.
which is really nice. 48 point. Nice hit. Right. Michael Strahan. And our rated rookie purple, Jabril Cox. And the final rated rookie here, another Trey Lance.
Nice.
Good hit, San Fran. All right, well, that was a pretty good pack right there. It's a nice hit on that redemption.
These mega boxes are pretty good.
Yeah, so far so good, right? Josh Allen, Cam Newton, Ken Murray, Elfitz, DJ Chark, and we got some good stuff coming up behind this. Let's do the slow reveal. We have a red hot rookie, Kadarius Toney. That thing is sweet.
There you go.
It's a cool card. New York Football Giants. And our optic preview, Javonte Williams,
Oh, good hit for the Broncos.
Denver Broncos. Final rated rookie, Elijah Mitchell. All right, 3 packs left in this mega. Winfield Jr., T.Y. Hilton, Josh Jacobs. We got a Savage Jr. Let's see what we got behind this. We got some stuff coming up. We got a rookie. We have a Chuba Hubbard, Rookie Revolution.
There you go.
Chuba looks pretty good.
He does, filling in for
McCaffrey, yeah. Nice Chuba. Behind that, we have a Legend series. This is going to be an old-timer. Who is that? Montana, Jerry Rice. I see a 49ers. We've got a Jerry Rice Legend series. And our purple Rashawn Slater. And Rondell Moore, rated rookie. Finish that pack. We got 2 packs left in this mega, guys. Dalvin Cook, Diggs, Antonio Gibson, Jonathan Taylor, L'Jarius Sneed, and behind that we have got, it's this way, oh, it is the other way. I hate how they flip all these cards. It drives me crazy. Is it that hard to just have them all going the same way? I mean, just trying to make it harder for breakers, I think. We have a Gridiron Kings Peyton Manning, all time. There's your Legarius Sneed and our Optic Preview Cornell Powell, which is Kansas City Chiefs. And Joseph Osai. Alright, last pack in this Megas. Good luck.
So far.
Got one Mega left after this. Derek Carr, Brandon Cooks, AJ Brown, Aaron Donald, and we got something behind this. Let's take a peek. What do we got, guys? Bronze Teddy Bridgewater press proof.
Alright.
There's the Aaron Donald that was in front of it. Behind that, we have this is a throwback card. Daniel Jones, the 91 Donruss.
Nice. Danny Dimes. Is he going to amount to anything?
He had a good game the other day, didn't he?
Yeah, he did. Day one.
It's upside down. Let's flip it. We have a rated rookie of Joe Tryon. Optic Preview. And the final rated rookie in this Mega is Morig. Alright, we have one Mega left.
Yeah, it looks like one pink optic preview per pack on the Megas.
What is it?
One pink optic per pack
Yeah.
on Megas. That's basically what it says.
Alright, let me toss a couple of these before we open this last box. I'll just toss a few. These hits that we just got in the last Mega up here is the Najee. And let's see. Redemption. Alright, let's open this baby up. Let's see what we got. There are our packs. Empty box. Let's flip it this way. There we go. Alright guys, last Mega. Good luck to everybody. Certainly hope everybody hits. We always hope that everybody hits. Good luck. Thanks again for breaking with us. And let's pull some fire in this last box. Wagner, Jacobs, Russ Wilson, Amari Cooper, and we have a Kelsey, and behind that looks like we have another 91 Donruss, and this is a Matthew Stafford 91 Donruss, and that Kelsey is the bronze press proof. And the optic preview is Wallace, Baltimore Ravens. Last rated rookie in this pack is Frank Darby.
Top loaders.
Oh well, I have a bunch of them. I brought a ton over there. Fred Warner, Miller, Drew Brees, Tyler Boyd. We have it's like a bronze rated rookie.
I love it!
Press proof. Kadarius Toney, New York Football Giants. And behind that, we have got a Elite Series rookies. Kyle Pitts.
Oh, there you go. There's your Falcons hit.
Atlanta Falcons. Cool card. And behind that, our optic preview is Micah Parsons.
He's having a good year. He looks good.
And our last rated rookie, Ian Book.
Said his name right this time. It was pretty good.
I could say Ian Brook if I want. What fun would it be if you said everyone's name right?
Yeah.
Can't wait to do basketball. We're probably gonna break some optic basketball next week. If anybody's into that, I'm not huge into basketball, so it's pretty comical listening to me say the basketball players' names.
And you having no idea who's really good or not.
Yeah, if you guys want to be around for that, then check us out next week. Probably be opening some optic blasters, maybe some select. But yeah, basketball is not my thing, so I don't really know the players. But it's still fun to open. And there is a Baker, Robbie Anderson, Thielen, Marvy Jones Jr. And we got something cool looking behind this. Flipped over. This might be our auto. Let's see. Rated rookie, Washington football team, Jarrett Patterson. There's the Marvin Jones. Let's flip this. I don't know if this is the auto or not. I don't know why it would be flipped. They don't usually flip the rated rookies. Let's just see what's behind it here first. So behind it, we have a Rob Gronkowski. The champ is here, and that is indeed an auto. Jarrett Patterson, Washington football team.
Nice.
Cool card. And there's the Gronk, and our optic preview is Jalen Darden. Fahoki. Yeah. All right, we got 4 packs left. Let's do this. Let's get some of those rookies we haven't gotten yet. We've got a Hurts. We've got a Tariq Cohen. Floyd. Taysom Hill. And a Laviska. And we have a red hot rookies, Rondale Moore.
Oh, there you go. Another Rondale.
Our optic preview is Odafe away. Baltimore Ravens. Christian Barmore. New England Patriots.
We got 2 Patriots, but not the right one.
Yeah, no max.
Gotta get some max here.
That's what I want to see.
Last year, we at least need a max here.
That's what I want to see.
Somebody paid some good money for Mac. We need a Mac.
Galladay. Mark Andrews. Gage. There's a Dak. Behind that, we have a. Let's flip it. We've got a rookie revolution, Kenneth Gainwell.
Gainwell looks good too.
Dak. Behind that, we have a. The rookies. This is Cleveland Browns. Schwartz. You got a Gainwell. You got the rookie Schwartz, in the optic preview, of course, that's going to be flipped the other way, because why would they ever put them all in the same direction? Amari Rogers. And the last rated rookie in this box is Luke Farrell. Patrick Peterson. Joey Bosa.
You have the reason.
AJ Green. Williams. DeAndre Swift. And behind that, we have a Gridiron Kings, it looks like. Hopefully a rookie. Let's see. We've got a Justin Tucker, just what everyone wants. He did have a game winner this past week. That was pretty impressive.
And the record for the longest field goal.
Right.
But it's kind of like getting a waiver.
That's it. Devonta Smith, Philadelphia Eagles. And Rashad Bateman. All right, last pack.
Good one.
Last pack. Good luck, everybody. We will do a quick hit parade when we're done here to go through the best hits we got. Appreciate you guys breaking with us again tonight. We do this usually once a week, so come back and look for us again. Like I said, next week we'll probably be doing optic basketball. It was really just hit the stores the last week or two. There's a Gronk and a Jonathan Taylor, Kyle Long, Jalen Ramsey. We have a bronze Buda Baker press proof behind that. And we have a Power Formulas Jalen Hurts.
Nice.
That's a pretty cool card. And the last optic preview of the night is St. Brown. Last rated rookie, Pete Werner. Alright, let me pull some of these hits together. We'll go through these quick. You got any more over there?
Yep.
These off. These off. These off. Alright. Let's do a quick hit parade, folks. Oh, got all of these optics sleeved up. So there's a Darden. Here's that Gronk. Ian Book. Wallace. Kelsey press proof. Stafford 91 Donruss. Ryan Bridgewater. Daniel Jones 91. Powell. Peyton Manning all time. And we got a Gainwell Rookie Revolution. Devonta Smith. And Slater. Jerry Rice. Michael Strahan. Rogers. Basham. Bateman. Snead. Manning in that Denver uniform. Terrence Marshall. Darden. Freiermuth. Etienne. And we have Schwartz, the rookies, away. We've got a Dak, press proof. Michael Carter, rated rookie. George Kittle. Kellen Mond. Parsons. Kadarius Toney. Kyle Pitts. There's that Jarrett Patterson auto. Hunter Long, Optic Preview. Chuba, Williams, Red Hot Rookies, Kadarius Toney. There's a Trey Lance. There's a Jabril Cox. A Aziz, Rondale Moore. And we have Rogers. Red Hot Rookies, Rondale Moore. There is the redemption, Jamar Chase. That was a bronze rated rookie. So similar to the other auto we got. Is the Kellen Mond, Gridiron Kings, Terrence Marshall Jr. That is a portrait. And DK Metcalf, Vortex. The beautiful Najee Harris, Optic Preview. Here's the Trevor Lawrence, the rookies. It's the other Trey Lance, rated rookie. And the Jalen Hurts power formulas. Got a couple more there. Oh, the ones from that last batch, yeah.
Yep.
We got the Buda Baker. And who was that last Optic Preview?
St. Brown.
St. Brown. That's it. That's the stack. So we will package these up, get these out to you guys. Usually give us like 3 business days. So probably go out by, what's today, Wednesday night? They'll probably go out by Saturday at some point. So you can expect your cards early next week. Thanks everybody again for breaking with us tonight. We really appreciate you. And hope to see you back breaking with us again next week. Like I said, probably be doing some Optic basketball. So check back in soon. Thanks again, everybody. Take care.